Mark installed a smart doorbell after a break-in in his neighborhood. He told himself it was just for safety, just in case. One night, at 2:13 a.m., his phone buzzed, motion detected. He reached for it, opened the app. No one at the door, just his porch, empty, no cars passing, no shadows moving, nothing. But the motion timeline kept triggering every few seconds, again and again. So he rewound the footage. At first, nothing, just the front door, the glass panel reflecting the hallway light inside. Then, he noticed something strange. The motion detection box wasn't highlighting the street. It was highlighting the reflection. Inside the glass, something shifted. Not outside. Behind the door. Inside the house. Mark felt his chest tighten. He lived alone. Slowly. Very slowly. He turned around. The hallway behind him was completely empty. Silent. Still. When he looked back at the screen, the reflection was gone. The next morning, the motion alerts had disappeared, and so had the footage from 2:13 a.m., as if it had never been there. Except for one thing. The motion history still showed activity from inside the house.